Hi everyone, this is your class teacher. Welcome back, and I'll be teaching you all today chapter 2 of EVS, our body. We can see our body parts like hands and legs. The organs located outside of the body are called outer organs. Outer organs are also called as external organs. Let's do an activity, students. Can you look at this picture? By looking at this picture, can you tell me which are the different body parts that are being used while performing the activities in this picture? Wonderful, we are using legs, eyes, hands, ears, nose. Excellent. So we can see there are different body parts which we are using. But the body parts which we can see through our body, like we can see our hands, right? And the organs which are located outside the body, they are called outer organs and also external organs. Can you see your heart? No, you can't. So any body part which you can see through your eyes are called as external organs. To pick up objects, walk, run, move and perform many other daily tasks, we use our hands and legs. Therefore hands and legs are called motor organs. Now majority of tasks we use our legs, for example walking, to pick up anything or to perform any of our daily tasks we use our hands and legs. That's why those hands and legs are called as our motor organs. So we learned about external organs, the organs which we can see through our eyes, and then the motor organs, preferably hands and legs. Next, okay, now students, can you all tell me what is helping you to see? How you all can see through your eyes? That is giving you the sense of looking. How are you able to hear? Through your ears. You can smell through your nose. You can feel or touch and see, like if it is hot, if it is cold, through your skin. And you can get the taste of a particular food through your tongue. So these 5 organs are called as sensory organs. The organs which help you become more aware of our surroundings. Through your eyes you can see and come to know what is actually happening in your surroundings. Similarly with your ears you can listen and find out what is happening around you. So that is making you aware of your surroundings. They are called as sensory organs. Organs that are inside the body and cannot be seen from outside are called as internal organs. Now all these organs which are there inside your body, your brain, which is protected by your skull, your lungs, heart, liver, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus, all these are internal organs. Because can you see through your normal eyes? You cannot. So the organs which we cannot be seen from outside are called as internal organs, and these internal organs are protected. First internal organ is brain. Now we all know how important brain is. It is located inside our skull. The hard object which you see, if you tap it on your head, you will understand the outer part is very hard. Why is it hard? Because it's the skull that protects the brain from inside. Now information received, whatever information is received, for example our eyes are looking at something, so that information our sensory organ is getting. Eyes are sensory organ, so the information received from our sensory organ is processed and stored in the brain. That's why when you learn, for example you're looking at the textbook or you're looking on the screen right now, so you're learning. When you learn something, your brain stores all that information, and this information you use time to time. When is the time to use this information what I'm teaching right now? During your exams. We experience emotions like anger, joy and sorrow. All this is through brain, because brain controls all our activities. It is helping us to think and remember. Let us see the next internal organ, that is heart. Now, if I want you all everyone to close your fist. Okay, now when you close your fist, the size of your fist is actually the size of your heart. When you close your fist, the size, everyone's size of the fist is different. So that's the actual size of your heart. And heart is located slightly to the left of the center of the chest. It's not in the center but towards the left side. If you place your hand on the left side, you'll realize you'll feel the heartbeats. The heart keeps circulating blood through the blood vessels and it reaches throughout our body. Next is lungs. Now we have two lungs in our chest. The lungs supply oxygen to entire body. The functions of the heart and lungs are dependent on each other. So lungs help us to supply oxygen through our entire body. As we breathe in, lungs help us to take the oxygen and it only helps us to give out carbon dioxide. Now, when we breathe in air, all the air that we breathe in is not pure enough. So lungs are the organs which help to purify the blood, which is supplied by the lungs. Both these organs are located in the rib cage. If you touch right below your chest a little bit towards the left and right side, you will observe there are those bones. Those bones are actually rib cage, which is protecting the lungs. The thin flat bones of the cage are called as ribs. Next is stomach. Stomach, it has a long tube that carries the food. Now we eat the food through esophagus. There are two pipes, food pipe and windpipe near your throat. So when we eat the food, the pipe near your, if you touch your throat, the pipe near that is called as esophagus. Now this pipe helps us to carry the food towards the stomach. And the food is delivered to the stomach through esophagus. Now this stomach is actually like a bag where food is churned so that all the healthy food is given to our body. And the liver helps in the digestion of this food. Small intestine. There are two intestines, small intestine and large intestine. The inside one, that is called as small intestine. So small intestine is a long tube. It is connected to a stomach and in this the digestion of food is actually completed. All the nutrients and water from the food are absorbed into the blood. Large intestine. Large intestine is a broad tube, the thicker one, and it is connected to small intestine. Now all the water that is coming from undigested food is absorbed in this large intestine. The last part of intestine is called a rectum. If you see here, this is called a rectum. All the food particles, all the waste particles of food, they actually come out of this rectum. And later, then it is expelled through anus. Now these are the notes, students. Let's begin with filling the blanks. Organs located outside the body are called as external organs. Hands and legs are called as motor organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are called sensory organs. The organs inside the body are called internal organs. The brain is protected by the skull. The heart works like a pump. What are external organs? The organs located outside the body are called external organs. What is the function of the heart? The heart circulates blood throughout the body. What are internal organs? The organs located inside the body and cannot be seen from outside are called internal organs. What are sensory organs? The organs that help us become aware of our surroundings are called sensory organs. What are motor organs? Hands and legs used for movement are called motor organs. Match the following. Brain, storing information. Heart, keeping blood circulating throughout the body. Stomach, churning food. Small intestine, absorption of nutrients. Let's find the odd one out. Nose, ear, eyes, lungs. Lungs is the odd one because lungs are internal. Other all are sensory organs. Heart, lungs, liver, eyes. Eyes, because eyes are external organ and other all are internal organs. Hand, leg, eyes, stomach. Stomach, because stomach is an internal organ and other all are external as well as some sensory organ. Ear, esophagus, small intestine, large intestine. Ear, because ear is an external organ and other all are internal organs. I hope students you've understood this second chapter. Soon I'll be posting a video of third chapter as well. Stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. If you need anything, put down in the comments and I'll surely get back to you for that. Thanks for watching.